welcoming and makes you feel happy when you see all the stuff, the decorations. Anyway, as you guys know, as we make it down this fun road,
At 600 feet, turn left onto Culver Drive.
it wants us to go left onto Culver Drive.
Turn left onto Culver Drive.
That I could easily claim that I am the most diligent Google and YouTube employee
For 1.5 miles.
in the history of social media, who's never been paid a cent by either of the companies. Although they are one company in some way, I don't know. It's all connected, right? It's all connected. It wants me to go.
Likey